Are you tired of your cupcakes coming out like this? Is your blender too slow?
Then Alyssa, you should upgrade to the 19.2 volt Craftsman blender.
Whatever happened to the milkman, the paperboy, evening tea?
I'll save you.
Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This whole world's confusing me.
Wow, that's perfect! How did you do it?
That's because I have the 19.2 Craftsman cordless blender with rechargeable battery. See the difference?
Alyssa, what are you doing? I'm baking cupcakes with the 19.2 cordless mixer.
Oh my gosh, it smells so delicious in here.
Mommy, do you want to try one?
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Who the is that?
Give me that. No bananas were harmed in this infomercial.
Everywhere you